everyone, welcome. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. You guys, are you ready for fall? Are you ready for dark lips and dark eyes? Well, I am bringing you that today. So I wanted to start creating our fall makeup look, you know, dark eyes, dark lips, just fall colors. Here is my first one. I really love how it turned out. I really love that pop-up orange in the inner corner. I think it brings a little something to our look. Love every product that I use, and all the products that I use, you guys, they are very affordable. If you guys are loving what you're seeing so far, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel before you leave, and also don't forget to ring that bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my future uploads. So we're not gonna talk too much in this intro. If you guys love what you're seeing and you want to see all the products that I use to create this very affordable fall inspired makeup look, then just keep on watching. Because I'm working with dark eyeshadows today, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the eyes. Let's go ahead and start with our brows, you guys. I know we're looking a little 90-ish with our brows. First thing that I want to do is kind of set my brows with powder. It just sucks in all of the oils that I have right here, so my products won't be moving around. So I'm going to take my Maybelline Loose Fit Me powder. Moving on to the brow product, I'm going to take my Maybelline Tattoo Studio. Let's go ahead and brush our sad little brows. I don't really have a specific area I start on my brow. I just start wherever I feel like starting. Before it completely dries on me, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up. This is the E.L.F 16-Hour Camo Concealer. Been loving this concealer lately. So let's go ahead and get to the eyeshadow. So the first thing that we need to do is prime our lid. Don't ever skip priming. You can use a concealer or you can use an eye primer. They are out there. So I'm going to take this E.L.F 16-Hour Camo Concealer again, and we're just going to take a little bit of it onto our lid, and I'm just going to use a brush to spread the product. As soon as I spread the product, I'm going to go ahead and set that, because I don't want that concealer to set into my folds and it will just stay there if I don't set it right away. So it's something that I can't skip either. The palette that we're going to use today is from Makeup Revolution. This is Fierce as Fire. This is what it looks like. Really pretty. It is perfect for fall, you guys. So this is the palette we're going to use today. So we're going to go ahead and start with this one right here, just to get our crease going. First impression, you guys, when you dip your brush, there is a lot of fallout. Fallout doesn't really bother me that much as long as the product works. I mean, there is definitely a way around it. You know, just tap your brush, or like me, just start with your eyes and then you can just clean up everything else later. I like to start from the outer and then blend in. And I also like to bring up my shadow up to my brow bone. Wow. Okay. Let me swatch that one for you. That is what that one looks like. See how it's very sheer when you swatch it, but when you apply it to your lid, it gives you that pigment that we all love. You guys, that is blending so nice. Wow, I'm really impressed. You guys, that first shade is just blended so good. Let's go ahead and move on, darken up our lid. We're gonna take this two right here, you guys. So this one right here has a bit of shimmer, but when you blend it, it doesn't really show. So that's the one that have a little bit of shimmer, I think, and that's the dark one. I definitely have this little spot right here that just won't take the pigment. I don't know why. I don't know why. I'm trying to pack on that dark shade right there. I think it's my lid, it's not the shadows, because it's applying everywhere else but that little tiny area. So I have no idea what's going on there. I'm gonna take the fresh brush that we use and I'm just gonna blend the edges. I'm doing a half cut crease today. I think that's just the best look for people that have hooded lids like me. So that's the look that you're gonna see a lot here on my channel. I apologize in advance, but I think that's what looks good on my eye type. Make sure you guys are looking straight in the mirror, so you know that you have to go above that folded crease right here. Before that crease on me, I'm gonna go ahead and set it right away. I'm gonna take this shade right here, and that's what I'm gonna put on that place that we clean. So that's that shade right here. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye. I'm gonna take that small blending brush that we use, and we're gonna take that one shade that has a little bit of shimmer, and we're gonna kind of mesh those two together. Now I'm gonna take this one and darken up the corner even more. Kind of just blend it with that shimmer too. I decided to define that line that we have right here. I just used the white shade in this palette. Wow, very icy. That's the only thing that I did different on the eye. For the days that I don't want to wear false lashes, these are my combos. I used the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise primer and mascara. I don't have any drugstore false lashes with me, but I do have lashes from Amazon, and you can buy this whole pack for, I believe, less than $10. I will put it on the screen somewhere how much. For my lash glue, I use the Duo brush on adhesive. This one I got on Amazon. This is really affordable as well, so I know that one is not expensive. The band on these lashes are a little bit stiff, so you have to kind of, you know, just wiggle it around so it will be a little softer. But it is bendable, so it will bend to the shape of your eyes. I will find that link, and it's going to be in the description below if you're interested in these lashes, because they are gorgeous. Wow, okay. Before foundation or primer, I want to spray my skin with this Wet n Wild Photofocus Rose 3-in-1 Primer Water. You can use it to prep, set, and refresh, but we're going to use it to just kind of wake up our skin a little bit. Now moving on to primer, I'm going to take my E.L.F Poreless Face Primer. I haven't used this in a minute. I know it's a little extreme, but I do use another primer. This is from Beige Cosmetics. This is in perfect medium, so this is more of a stick primer. I feel like this just gets into your pores and it just smooth your skin. So I'm also gonna apply this just right here. I do like to use a brush to kind of just buff that into my pores. The foundation that I'm going to use today is from L'Oreal. This is their Infallible Total Cover. This is a 24-hour foundation. This is in 305 Natural Beige. I think this is a little lighter for me, but you know, with all the bronzer and all that good stuff, it kind of just, you know, it kind of blends in. So you guys, I love this foundation. Just the finish on my skin is just beautiful. So let me just put that onto my skin. It's not waste product. I'm gonna take this beauty sponge right here. This is from Amazon as well. I will link it in the description if I can find it, but it is amazing. So I'm just gonna work on small area at a time. Just gonna, guys, look at that. Make sure bring it down to my neck. I love the coverage of this foundation, you guys. Oh, I did the number right here. I scratched it. But this foundation, you can definitely just apply one layer like I did, and it's enough coverage for me. But if you really like those full coverage foundation, you can definitely add another layer. So now let's go ahead and move on to concealer. We're gonna go back to our E.L.F 16-hour Camo concealer. This is a little bit too light, so we are gonna be very light with it. Before that crease on me, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. Before I set my whole face, which I'm going to because of my oily, confused skin, I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild. This is a concealer. This is in dark cocoa, but I'm gonna use it to contour my face. Guys, I'm not very good at the nose thing. To set that concealer that we use to bronze our skin, I'm gonna take my E.L.F bronzer palette. Two of them are shimmery. Yeah, it has like a little shimmer to it, or sheen, but I don't think, yeah, it doesn't show when you blend it. So I'm gonna take this two right here, and we're just gonna set that concealer that we applied as a bronzer. You know what, we're just gonna take all of it. Why not? We just take all of it. Ooh, wow, okay. That's so pretty. For my waterline, I'm going to take this NYX Wonder Pencil. I don't want to use anything dark. We're going to go ahead and smoke out the lash line. We're going to take, we're just going to take this two right here with a smaller blender brush. So you guys, that's what I have to deal with having a hooded lids right there. It folds and it just erases all that. Plus you have watery eye. I'm gonna fix that in a minute. I'm so sorry. That's all I'm gonna do to the lower lash. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara base, mascara primer on the lower before I apply my mascara. And then now I'm gonna take my Lash Paradise. So those two go hand in hand. Moving on to blush, I'm going to take my Milani Big Blush. This is in Luminoso with this stippling brush right here. This is the brush that I like to use when I apply my blush. Before we apply our highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face one more time with the Photofocus 3-in-1 spray primer water. So we're going to refresh our skin. We're going to just set all that powder into our skin. Moving on to highlighter, we're going to take our Wet n Wild highlighting powder. This is in Crown of my Canopy. Wet n Wild has one of the best highlighter, and Wet n Wild highlighters, they are not chunky. They won't just sit on your skin. So we're taking the same highlighter and apply it to our brow bone. You guys, for the inner corner, we haven't forgotten our inner corner. We're gonna take this orange one right here. I know this is probably not gonna go with our look, but I just want that pop of like orange right there. I'm gonna put that on the inner corner. Yeah. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to take this Jcat Beauty Lip Liner. This is in Red Wine. So I'm going to use this. This is a retractable one. I got this on Amazon as well, you guys. For the liquid lipstick, I'm going to take my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is in Copenhagen. You guys, I went ahead and changed my top because that brown one that we had on wasn't cutting it. I thought I was gonna go for a brown smoky eyes today, but I love how this eyes turned out. I love the lip combo with it. So yeah, we are ready for fall. This is my first fall inspired makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys have any question, comment, or concern, definitely definitely leave it in the comment section and I will get back to you. Everything that I use on my face is going to be in the description below. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I hope you guys enjoy this look as much as I am enjoying it right now. That lashes though. Thank you for watching, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.